What's up, my people? It's your boys Looking Girl once again with another video. So today's video is going to be as fast as it used to be, because today's video is for the daily saver. So today's daily saver, without wasting your time, is stake. So I'm going to do it in this live video here. So you have to watch me, and while watching it, try your best to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, because I'm going to be dropping it ASAP. And once I'm done with the daily saver, daily combo is going to come next. So try your best to subscribe and watch how it's going to go. So the first one is triple tap 1 2 3. So that is it. And so we have done the first one. So second one is hash T. So third one is a dot hash, and fourth one is hash dot hash, which is K. So the last one is just dot, and then we have just cracked the code. So this is it. We have actually gotten the daily saver update. So this is it. I hope you guys are trying your best to increase your profit per hour. There is a new card here. In case you don't know, try your best to purchase it and increase your profit per hour, because you guys know that is one big thing about increasing it. So before you know it, my profit per hour, I'm trying my best to take my profit per hour to 2 million per hour. So let's see how it's going to be. So this is it for now. Let me go ahead and start the information for the daily combo. So stay tuned, and if you like what I'm doing in this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and try your best to join my follow me on Twitter, so that even if it doesn't come to YouTube, you're not going to miss it on Twitter. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.